Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Carlos Elias Briceño Valderrama. I present my day. I start the explanation here. We can see our table and graphs, and I will hide the explanation. I will be positive symmetric, and to the left vein, the mean where our value is 0.14 and its type of kurtosis will be platykurtic since our results menos 1,17, since our results is less than 0. In conclusion, we can conclude that the median is 54 and that there are 54 people with the age of 20 years as minimum and 54 which the age of 91 as maximum. Being Q3 igual a 69, we can say that there are 30% with the age of 20 and 69 people high as maximum 91 and as minimum 20. We can say that there are 54 people with a minimum age of 20 and maximum 91 years in road accidents. With a percentage of 30% and 90% 69 people with a minimum age of 20 and maximum 91 years. We can see in our scatter table we have a number of 180 people with a standard deviation of 20,25, a variance of 407,61, a coefficient of variation of 38 and a minimum and maximum of age between 20 and 19 years. 38 and minimum and maximum of age between 20 and 19 years means that the people who have and motor road accidents are between the age 20 to 19 years. Thanks you.